Howdy ho there, people. This is Tech Guy 007. Haven't been doing a video for a little while, so I'm gonna do this quick little sound quality test for all you people out there. This is the new speakers I got for my PC. You can also use it for Mac. You can use it for, I think, also your cell phone and your tablets as well, as long as they have an auxiliary jack. These are the new speakers I got right here. It is the Pebble Creative Speakers 2.0. Kind of for a good deal, maybe around the $25 range, $29 range on Amazon. Great little product. As you can see here. And you can see about this picture, it uses a USB-A to auxiliary. USB-A is for your power, and of course the auxiliary is for your sound pass-through. And the design was a 45-degree angle, as I'll show you here right now. And basically the sound just goes right towards you on the angle, which is perfect. And on the back it has a pass-through as well. Fantastic sound in this product. So let me just play a little bit for you, and we'll see how this goes. Gonna play some copyright sound, of course. Don't want to be banned there by good old YouTube. So let's see how this goes.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste.
Your power right here.
I let go
So
of
cool.
your anger.
And on my computer, there's that 20, as you can see there.
Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head. I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it instead. Just make it right instead. Treat me like I'm good. It's too late to confess.
So there you go. That's the sound quality of the Creative 2.0 PC speakers. Fantastic sound quality. I love them. I did could replace my Logitech speakers with these, and I'm really glad about these. Fantastic. If you like this video, just give me a little thumbs up, and hopefully I'll get some more videos out in the near future. So this is Tech Guy 007 signing out, and wishing all your tech be great tech. Have a good day.